I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about how to write JavaScript and HTML codes inside Komodo IDE. So at here first you need to download and install Komodo IDE. Now it's already installed and downloaded. Now hereafter when you open here you can find new file tab. So click there. Now here you can find default text. Add here txt file. Now here when you click at this point, so here the new file going to add. Now here after the next is here we need to first going to write add here copy and paste HTML code. So starting from HTML doc tab everything inside there. Now here after let's paste that one, and here after pasting here you can find somewhere save. So add here save file. And here when you save here you can give the name. So where do you want to save? So first select add here directory javas and you have to give the file name. So giving add here the file name abc1.html. Now here after click on save. So add here abc1.html file, it's a saved, and here you can find html this all these things. Now when you write add here these things, hereafter when you select at this point here you can find configure browser. So select that configure browser and here you can find somewhere here you can use add here Internet Explorer exe and here Firefox and here Chrome. So when I select this one, hereafter click on preview. So when you click add here preview, there is a Chrome browser, it's opening and here it's a printing hello world. Now here abc1.html and hereafter here before and after script, so this is a HTML tag. Now hereafter the next thing is if you want to debug or execute inside add here or Firefox, so select the Firefox and here click on preview. So when you click add here preview, here it's a before and so this is the HTML tag and here this is JavaScript code. So alert method here I'm using hello world, it's a printing. Now like this you can use Internet Explorer here. So you can select add here I and here after preview. So by using this add here Internet Explorer, it's going to open and here you can see this kind of mass is not going to use this one. So this is the HTML tag here, it's a display. Now hereafter close that, and the next thing is here you can use add here script tag. So all the JavaScript code that come inside a script tag. Now hereafter let's copy this script from script and here not going to use this part and here paste. So when you paste here you need to use Ctrl S to save. So it's saved here. Now hereafter the next thing here you can save file and hereafter again configure browser and here go at this point here Chrome. Now hereafter preview once again. So here by using this code here it's a displaying Fibonacci series program. So this is the simplest way we can write to execute or HTML tag or JavaScript tag inside Komodo IDE. So here let's copy this one. So this is two important HTML tag h1 and h2. Now hereafter this time going to remove this part and here going to paste this point. Now hereafter Ctrl S and hereafter going to execute inside the browser. So here this time going to use Mozilla here preview. So by using h1 and h2 tag here it's displaying the tag as hello world and hello world 2. So at here this is the simplest way we can execute at here HTML or JavaScript tag using Komodo IDE. Here you can find there are so many HTML tags here header and here header 2 and hereafter if you click on header 3 it's added. Okay, so here by clicking it's going to open add here by only you click hereafter if you double click here you can see the paragraph tag this is added. Now here you can see find files, there are so many things inside Komodo IDE. Okay, so you can directly double click, after that you can practice. Okay, if I give hello world once again and here you can find the difference between this h1 h2 and h4 tag. So I'm going to remove the background, and here Control S, and here just configure browser. Here select the browser, and here preview. So here you can see the difference H1 is to H4. So if this is the H4, here it's a quite smaller. Okay, so this is the way we can execute JavaScript and HTML tag inside Komodo ID. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.